You remind me of my mother.
Oh, really? You know that. I mean, you and I are pretty close in age.
This was her.
Hey, how'd you get that picture of me? I look amazing. Hello, doppelganger.
One of the things that you take away from Spy is the interplay with you and Rose Byrne.
And Rose's hair.
And
And the third person in the room, which is Rose's hair.
interestingly, not a wig.
Not a wig. That's
her real hair.
nor a costume. That was just how Rose showed up every day. She loves a get-up. I wish, somewhere in me, I kind of wish that really was Rose.
Poor little pathetic Susan. My father used to bring people here.
Did he also make you dress like a slutty dolphin trainer?
When did you know that you and Rose Byrne were gonna make a formidable comedic force together?
I don't know if I've ever thought about it like that, but when we did Bridesmaids, I kind of really always went after Rose because she's a big laugher. And she's also a terrible laugher because she will just completely break down in a scene. Fully out loud, shoulders shaking. We're like, Rose, you know we're on camera. For whatever reason, when I would say Helen when I would particularly call her by her character name, she could not stop laughing. I mean, it was almost like we were all rooting for it. So then I would start saying Helen at the front, middle, and end of every sentence. And sometimes it's just like, Helen. And she's so sweet and she's so beautiful that it's really fun to try to like verbally destroy her.
How long did it take you to get through the airplane scene in Spy?
Here's to your mom.
To my mother. And to you.
And here's to you. I mean, you may never be as wise as an owl, but you'll always be a hoot to me.
What a stupid toast. You're delightful.
As are you. That took forever because we may both have just kept laughing. And then if we're not laughing, you hear Paul Feig, who's like usually sitting in with us, he also laughs full volume. It's kind of great because you know like it's going well because you just hear Paul like 2 feet away like, ha 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 ha. We're like, again, I'm like, we're rolling. He's like, so sorry.